Okay, today I want to show you guys exactly how to find leads for rent-to-rent deals through Rightmove, because a lot of people are scared to use Rightmove because it's estate agents, right? But estate agents hold a vast book database of landlords they're working with, constant flow of properties. So don't be afraid of using Rightmove. You've seen my videos. If you haven't, check this video out. It's exactly what to say on the phone. This is what I say. It's what my students say. This is how we get deals. This is how we get viewings so we can get the deals, right? By using agents. So today I want to show you guys exactly how to find those leads. And why should you listen to me? Well, I know what I'm doing. I've done over 20 rent-to-rent deals. I've been in the game a few years now. I've taught hundreds of people, with many of them financially free, making a lot of money. So follow exactly what I'm about to show you for your area. So after this video, you can go away and try it. Cool. So obviously you need to load Rightmove. So we're just going to straight in and go for leads. Okay, just any random location. I'm gonna go straight up to 40 miles. Leave everything else as is. Boom, press search. Then straight away, we've got 17,000 properties. I'm going to put in a keyword. You can only, I think you can do this from your phone now. I think they have just brought it in. But if not, you can add keywords on the laptop. Keyword and available now. So as soon as I start in rent to rent, this is the first task after setting up your business and getting fully compliant. Right, come to Rightmove, do this. And look at this, we'll have a whole page of company lets and available now, all of these. So I'm just gonna go like this, boom, land here. Let's click on this one. Looks very nice. Not bothered about the pictures right now. I want to see whereabouts in the description do they say company let. Is it suitable for company let? Is it not? Company let's accepted. Boom, there's your first phone call straight away. They are wanting you to call them. Available right now, and it's suitable for company let. They've even renewed it today or added today. Sometimes estate agents remove them and then re-add them to make it look like a fresh ad. There we go, there's the first phone call. That's it. Make your way down the list. So let's just choose another one. Scroll down a little bit. Let's go for this place here. 850. It's a one bed. I don't promote going for one beds. Available 1st of September, long term. Okay, cool. Just look at the description. It says company let in here somewhere, so sometimes it does say no company lets. This is a very long description. Boom, right at the bottom, company let accepted. So just call them, be very direct, say hi, yeah, I'm just looking at this property. It's Skipton Road in Harrogate, £850 a month. Is it still available? Yes, it's still available because it was added yesterday. Awesome, I see you accept company lets. I'm a company let. Get a viewing, book a viewing, done. Okay, and look at this. You've got all of these leads. All of these have company let in the description somewhere. Sometimes they even say company let is available in the preview. Even on this one, look, first month rent free. Okay, let's try a different location. Let's go for Bristol. Exactly the same, company let available now. We've got 6,500 properties within 40 miles of Bristol. Company let available now. It's an 8-bed HMO. Let's have a look. The price, don't look at the price, all right? Don't look at the price. Perfect for companies. It depends which company they want to work with, but they're still working with company let. So even though you might think, 5,800, and you run it through a calculator, that's not what you should do. You should just call them and say, hi, I've seen this property on Rightmove. It's on Clarence Street, Gloucester. I see it's available right now. You're working with company lets. So is this open to company lets? Because I'm a company let. Then get the conversation going. They might turn around and say, this property's gone. Just say, okay, perfect. Do you have any other properties? I know you work with company lets. Do you have any other properties available? And then just get on their books. Tell them what you're looking for. Be open to all opportunities, because even if this is slightly high or outside of your budget, get a viewing, stack it, then sell the deal. This is why social media sometimes can be very important if you're not inside of a network, like a mentorship. Now, if a mentee finds a deal, we teach them how to look for all opportunities. So even if they come across a deal in an area they're not wanting to take one on, someone inside the mentorship will buy that deal, and it's easy. You just drop it in there and it's sold within no time at all. I'm not even joking, because the trust is there. Everyone's been taught by me and Dan. So that's it. Don't overthink it. Don't overcomplicate it. Make your way down that list. Check out your area now. Just go to Rightmove. Put in those 2 keywords. If you're really taking rent to rent seriously, pick up the phone, get a viewing. And if you secure a viewing off the back of this video, please come back to this video and let me know in the comments. Also, let me know in the comments if this was helpful. And if you're really starting to ramp up your rent to rent journey, go and watch this one, because I cover all of the absolute steps that you guys need to learn in very much detail in this video.